So all the listeners, so I do my Dandavat Pranam to all the devotees who are presented here. So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, like very humbly he was saying, like till then the listeners are here. So like they are my Vipad Taran Bandhu. So are you understanding this Vipad Taran Bandhu? What is it? Raise your hand. Who is understanding this Vipad Taran Bandhu? Who understand this? Vipad Taran means when like some obstacles comes in my path and someone protect to me, so this person is known as an Vipad Taran Bandhu, means the friend who is protecting me from all kinds of the problems. So the Prabhupada in a humbly he is telling to all the disciples or the God brothers, they are my Vipad Taran Bandhu, or the listeners, who is listening the Harikatha, especially telling to them, they are my Vipad Taran Bandhu. Like if nobody is here, so like to whom I will speak in a Harikatha, in front of I will speak Harikatha. If the listeners are here, so I will say. So like the listeners protect me from the Maya. The Shrota who are listening, that the listeners known as an Vipad Taran Bandhu. So if the listeners not came, so in front of whom I will speak the Harikatha. So I will speak material katha. If like you are not here, so I will speak material katha. So now what should I speak? So if you will not come, so you will also listen the material talks. Everyone is listening. So we should listen Harikatha from the Nirmatsar Sadhu. So that time it will be like protect us from the Maya. So Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said that when the Surya arises and when the Surya is sunset, when the sun arises and sunset, our age is decreasing. So somebody like inquired, what is your age? So like 38 years. So this is more or less? You are increasing or decreasing? Your age is increasing or decreasing? But actually you say like my age is increases. Actually not increases, it is decreasing. Like if your age to stay in this planet is in 100 years, so if like 30 years has been passed, means your age is decreasing from the 100 year. Now how many years are pending? So minus 38 from 100. So like as the sun is rising and sun is set down, so sunset, so our age is decreasing, getting less. So like today the day has been gone. Today is on what date? 2021, 8th of December. So 8th December will come, but the 2021 will not come. So like that 8th December 2021, this date will not come again. So like Gelo Je Divas Na Asibe Ar, means the day which has been passed will not come back again. So our day by day, our day has been passing. So our one day, like day by day, our day has passing. So like we are thinking our age is increased, but actually age is not increasing. Age is decreasing. But the Srimad Bhagavatam saying which time we are spending with the sadhus and listening Harikatha, that time is actually never destroyed. It remains same, like no time will be counted at that moment. So now the many devotees are listening. So the Bhagavad Katha will like go 6 hours. So morning 3 hours, evening 3 hours. So like if 6 hours we will sit with the sadhu and listen to Hari Katha. So 6 hours like will not count. So it is in a scriptures, it is said that associate with the sadhu so that your age will be not decreased. So like if you listen the sadhu's words, it will not go in waste. So when you listen the Harikatha, you should listen the Harikatha from the sadhu and you should sit along with the sadhu. You should associate. So like if you sit with sadhu 1 hour, so your 1 hour will be not count, like it will not be counted in your age and not decrease the time with your age. So means like your age is in 100 years. So on our like forehead, everyone's forehead, it is written how much age you are having. So on your forehead, what is it is written? It is written like how many years you will be stay in this planet. But we don't know. So but when you will sit with the sadhu and listen Harikatha, that time will not be destroyed. For an example, like you will stay 100 years in this life, and every day you are doing the sadhu sangha 1 hour, 2 hour. So according to the mathematics, so like the 2 hours like you are doing the sadhu sangha, so in a 365 days how many hours it will be? So like you just calculate the mathematics calculation. So like your age will be increased, like 103 years, like as much you did the sadhu sangha, that much year will be increased in your age. So for example 3 hour or 3 day you 3 day like you listen the Harikatha, so 103 your age will become, like if you're 100 then it will become 103. So have you listened about the Surabhi Kund? So their katha is that Rishi name is Markandeya Rishi. So Markandeya Rishi story is there. When the Markandeya Rishi he took the birth, when he took birth, then his mother went to the sadhu to take his astrology details. So like the sadhu told, after 11 years like your son will be die. So after listening this, mother will not able to be tolerate this. So like didn't tell to this to his son, and she always cry in the night time. So by this, like, the time is going on. When the son age became 10 year 11 months has been passed, 1 month only left. Only the 1 month is left. That so after the 1 month, like, the Markandeya Rishi is about to be die. So Markandeya Rishi asked to mother. So mother, how she can say to his son, like, after 1 year, 1 month you will die. So now the 20 days also has been passed. Now 1 day is left. Only the 1 day is left now. So like his mother is crying a lot, like all the tears is falling from her eyes. So that day, because the next day his son is going to be die, and the one Saint Mahatma came in their village that day. So all are doing the pranam to the Sant Mahatma. So all are doing the pranam. So Markandeya Rishi, he is in a very small boy. He did also the pranam to the sadhu. What the sadhu has told. So the sadhu told to the Markandeya Rishi, like, 7 kalpa you will live. So like in an ordinary way, used to say this word Chiranjeev Bhava, which means you have an age which is like infinite. So Brahmaji 1 day is equal to 1 kalpa. So 1 day is in a 1000 Chatur Yuga. So like Satya, Dwapar, Treta, Kalyug, like when it repeats 1000 times, then it is known as a 1 kalpa. So by this, so like the 1000 Chatur Yug, the Brahma's 1 day. So it is 1 kalpa. So the 7 kalpa is the age of Markandeya Rishi. So Markandeya Rishi run so fast and go to his mother and said, I did the pranam to the sadhu, and sadhu would give me benediction, this benediction. So like the sadhu gave a benediction that I will stay alive for the 7 kalpas. So mother, in a happiness, she start crying. So she was thinking, before my son will be die and he will not come back. So like the sun, like the sunset happened, but the Markandeya Rishi was alive. So sadhu has such potency. So like if you will go to the sadhu, if he will give the benediction to you, then the no rules and regulations will come in between. And like they even break all the rules and regulations. So like the Markandeya Rishi has destined, like after 11 years he will die, but the sadhu actually destroyed this this statement also. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur brought in a one grantha in which it is described. So like it is just a story of like the giving a like, but in our Chaitanya Charitamrita, the Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying the sadhu sange sarva shastre hoy, love matra sadhu sange sarva siddhi hoy. Like by the sadhu sangha you will get all kind of the perfection. If like in a love matra means a very short time. If anyone do the sadhu sangha, then he will get the all kind of the perfection. Sarvasiddhi means to get in a Govind Charan. He will attain the Govind Charan. Like many kinds of the sadhu, karmi sadhu, jnani sadhu, yogi sadhu. Sadhu are many kinds. Even the bhand sadhu. So one is in a bhand sadhu. What the bhand sadhu is do, like he used to put duplicate like artificial beard and artificial like the hair lock and jatai. Like he have an hair, but actually he put one kind of the artificial cloth by which it seems like that he is shaved head. He is having a shaved head. Like if you will see such kind of sadhu, like you will get so much happiness by seeing him. Govind Charan. It's a Govind Charan. So that is in a bhand sadhu, which make everything artificially. Okay, that sadhu went to the someone's house. Yes, Govind Charan. So Band Sadhu went to the someone house and that mother gives an 100 rupees. So if he will, like mother gives an 10 rupees, then he will ask for the 100 rupees. Like he is asking for the money always. So Band Sadhu saying, Ma, I know your life history. So then mother said, okay, see my hand. What I will see your hand? I will only see your forehead and I will tell you about you. Like the Bhand Sadhu said to that lady, like in a night you will become so much rich. Like there is one space which is outside of the house. So like in underground, like about 50 meter down, like so much like money is inside underground. I can see it by my divine eyes. Like 50 meter down to the ground. Oh, there is an oil. Like when you will take out that oil and you will just sell that oil, you will become so much rich. So that lady also was very much educated. Like he is telling very truth, or he is telling truth or not? Then the sadhu said. So that Bhand Sadhu is telling to the lady, like I didn't get the bhojan throughout the day. So like the lady asked, what do you want to eat? So okay, like you give me just only chapati and aloo sabji. Or like very hot roti and aloo sabji, just only give me, I will happy by it. So okay, the lady gave him. So like she is inside her mind, she is thinking this sadhu is real or not. So like she covered the chapati, but I will tell you it later on. So like Like the lady actually covered the chapati with the but ghee is inside and she covered it by chapati. Like if you have a two roti and in between you have a ghee, but from upside it is not seen the ghee is inside it. So he said that Bhand Sadhu said, "Mother, you didn't put the ghee." So then the lady said, "You can see the oil 50 meter underground, but you cannot see the ghee inside the roti. So these are the cheater sadhu," and the lady kicked him out. So by this kind of the sadhu, all the unauspiciousness will be happen. So that's why it is said that the Nirmatsaranam Satam. The Govind Charan matlab the lotus feet of the Govind. So we should take the shelter of the Nirmatsar Sadhu. So in the Sadhu Sangha Katha, in the first canto, first chapter, it is said about the Sadhu Sangha. The shloka, second shloka is the Nirmatsar Sadhu. So we should associate with the Nirmatsar Sadhu, which do not have any kind of the Matsarta, means not have any jealousy. So we should listen Hari Katha from such kind of sadhu which do not have any jealousy. He is a Nirmatsara. So don't listen from the Bhand Sadhu. Bhand Sadhu means a very cheater sadhu. So the Sanatan Goswami in Shiksha, it is also said that you should know. One is a real sadhu and other one is an asadhu. Asadhu and sadhu. Do you understand? Sadhu means? Asadhu means like who always like willing to eat tasty food. Sadhu means? Sadhu means? Sadhanati. Who, which by his own sadhan, he actually attained the God by his sadhan. That is known as an actual sadhu. So this is the Sadhu Sangha Katha. Who is actually in a right way doing the bhajan. So and doing the Lord service and doing the Harinam. That is known as a sadhu. So from that kind of the sadhu we should listen the Harikatha. So now the time is over and the other Maharaj will also speak the Harikatha. So this is known as a sadhu sangha. In the Krishna Das Raj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita wrote this verse: Sadhu sangha sarva shastrika. Love means what? Like the 1 second if divided by the 11, so that time period is known as a love. Love is in a very short time period. So very less time. Like if the very less time, if someone do the sadhu sangha, that also person get the all kind of the perfection. Yes, actually sadhu means does sadhana. Like even the mosquito also doing the sadhu sangha. Mosquito also sitting on your thigh. But what he is doing? He is actually sucking your blood. The mosquito also doing the sadhu sangha, but he is actually sucking your blood. So this is also sadhu sangha or not? No, this is not a sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha means dadati pratigrati guha makhyati munjate bhajate cheva shadvidha prati lakshanam. And that person like will give and take. Bhujya makhyati means like revealing top secret feelings to the Gurudeva or the sadhu. So even inquiring the questions, whatever the obstacles coming in the bhajan. So Shukdev Goswami, like the Parishit Maharaj, asked many questions in front of from the Shukdev Goswami.
প্রশ্ন করেছে
So the Parikshit Maharaj asked many questions to Shukdev Goswami Pad.
সেই সকল প্রশ্নগুলোই রয়েছে সেখানে। এই শ্রীমদ্ ভাগবতের প্রথম স্কন্ধের মধ্যে
So in the Srimad Bhagavatam, the first canto, Shonak Adi Rishi also asked the 6 questions.
শ্রীমদ্ ভাগবতের
So these 6 questions are essence of Srimad Bhagavatam.
কি ছিল? মানুষের আমাদের
So first question is, what is a
কি কিছে আমাদের মঙ্গল
like
হবে?
good
সেই কথা প্রশ্ন করেছে।
good thing for us?
দ্বিতীয় প্রশ্ন ছিল
How I will get a benefit? Like
দ্বিতীয় প্রশ্ন ছিল
second question is,
আমাদের ভক্তি কিভাবে বাড়বে? ভক্তি
Like,
কাকে বলে? ভক্তি সম্বন্ধে
what is
এখানে
bhakti?
আলোচনা করছেন। সবে পুংসাং
Save punsam paro dharma.
ভক্তি অধোষ ভজে অহেতুকি অপ্রতিহতা যাত্মা সম্প্রসিদ্ধতি। ভগবান কিসে প্রসন্ন হবেন?
With whom God will please.
আচরণ করলে ভগবান প্রসন্ন হবেন।
So who performs bhakti, by it the God will
তৃতীয় প্রশ্ন
please.
ছিল
Third question is,
স্বয়ং বাসুদেব ভগবান
himself Vasudev,
তিনি দেবকী আর বসুদেবের
like
গৃহে কেন জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন?
how like Krishna took birth from Devaki and Vasudev.
হ্যাঁ? তৃতীয় প্রশ্ন ছিল কৃষ্ণ বলরাম তারা
Next question, fourth question is like Krishna and Balram pastime Leela.
চরিত কথা আমাদের কাছে কীর্তন করুন। দেখুন আর একটা প্রশ্ন, পঞ্চম প্রশ্ন কি ছিল?
Fifth question is,
ভগবানের যে অবতারগণ রয়েছে
all the incarnation of Lord, please tell about all the incarnation of Lord,
অবতারগুলির কথা
like Matsya Avatar, Kurma Avatar,
কীর্তন করুন।
Varaha
কি কি
Avatar.
হয়েছে? সেই সকল অবতার কেন হয়েছে?
So how they all are avatars incarnated in this planet.
নৃসিংহ, মৎস্য,
Narsingh
আদি
Avatar,
মৎস্য
Matsya Avatar.
মৎস্যদেব ভগবান কেন প্রকট হয়েছে?
How like Matsyadev Bhagwan incarnated.
এই সকল অবতারের
So please tell all the incarnation of Lord.
আমাদের কাছে বলুন। হ্যাঁ? আর ষষ্ঠ প্রশ্ন কি ছিল?
Sixth question is, when
কৃষ্ণ
Krishna,
এই ধরাধাম থেকে যখন চলে যায়
when he will go from
ধর্মকার আশ্রয়।
this planet to Golok Vrindavan, that time
ছটা প্রশ্ন করে
Dharma will take
দেখুন,
whom
প্রশ্ন
shelter.
করলে তখন বক্তা সেখানে সুন্দর উত্তর দেয়।
So like if listener ask good question, then speaker will give
প্রশ্নকর্তা যদি সুন্দর হয়
proper
তাহলে
answer.
বক্তা এই উত্তরদাতা সুন্দর দিতে পারে।
So like if the listener will ask a good question, then the speaker will answer in a good way.
আপনি প্রশ্ন করেন
So if you will ask the question in a right way,
ঠিক ঠিক দেওয়া যায়।
so the speaker will answer you in a right way.
আমার হরিকথায় যখন বসি আর তখন আমার ঘুমটা কেন আসে?
So like some people come to Gurudev and ask like how can I get sleep?
প্রশ্নটা
So this is not in a good question to ask from Gurudev.
প্রশ্নটা করাও তো সহজ নয়।
So even to ask question, it is not an easy thing.
আপনারা স্কুলে তো পড়েছেন।
You also
পরীক্ষা
have
প্রশ্নটা কে করেন? টিচার করেন।
like you also have studied in school.
উত্তরটা সমমূল্য দেওয়া আছে। আর প্রশ্নটা দিকে যে আবার লেখা থাকে। হ্যাঁ?
So like on the question paper, it is written.
আগে ভালো করিয়া বারবার করিয়া প্রশ্নটা পড়িবেন।
Like you should read question carefully.
করে পড়েছি না?
So on the question paper, it is written that
ভালো করে পড়তে হবে।
you should listen question carefully.
নিলে বাস, বিড়াল রচনা এলো আর লিখে দিলেন কি নদী।
So like if question is something different and you answered in a wrong way, but the examiner is not asking the question like because you didn't read the question nicely, so you are not able to be understand the question and you are answering according to your mind. So this is not a good way. You should listen the question very nicely.
শ্রীমদ্ ভাগবতে
So in a Srimad Bhagavatam, when Shukdev Goswami Pad is speaking Ras Leela Katha, so Parikshit Maharaj asked question to Shukdev Goswami Pad.
শুনুন।
Like you should listen very carefully.
আছে আমি এটা বিশ্বাস করি আপনারা সকলেই লেখাপড়া শিখে এসেছেন।
So okay, you all are educated and you went for the school.
হ্যাঁ ফ্রিতে সব আপনারা পড়েছেন।
So you all are educated.
পয়সা দিয়ে পড়েছি।
So like nowadays, like we are studying by giving money.
পয়সা দিতে হয়।
You have you give money for study or not?
পায় আমরা স্কুলে কলেজে সব বেতন দিই
আমরা সব বেতন দিয়ে পড়েছি ভাই।
Even like we are studying, giving money.
পর্যন্ত ফ্রি ছিল।
Like till the fourth class, I studied free of cost. After the fourth class, I also gave money.
আমাদের দিতে হতো, বেতন দিতে হতো।
We used to pay some money to school or college.
হ্যাঁ, ফ্রিতে কোনো হয় না।
Like nothing is happening in free of cost.
এখন যাই, আমি এই জন্য বলছি আপনারা ফ্রিতে পড়ছেন, নিশ্চয়ই আপনার স্কুল কলেজ থেকে পড়ে এসেছেন, যতটুকু যার যেমন পড়ে এসেছেন। হ্যাঁ,
So till like I have studied in school and colleges, I paid money and then only like I studied.
কি জন্য তিনি এসেছেন আগে আপনি বললেন।
So like the Krishna in the Srimad Bhagavatam, it is written why Krishna incarnated in this planet.
সংস্থাপনার্থায়
So this verse is written in the Bhagavad Gita, Paritranaya Sadhunam,
যদা যদা এই ধর্ম
Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya.
বলা হয়েছে কিনা?
It is said in the Bhagavad Gita or not?
যখন যখন এই দুষ্ট লোক অসুর লোক
Like
আমাদের বর্ণাশ্রম ধর্মকে যখন তারা নষ্ট করে
when this demon are destroying our dharma, so that time Krishna
অবতীর্ণ হয়
will come to protect the dharma
পরিত্রাণ
and even protecting the sadhu.
সায়চ দুষ্কৃতম ধর্ম সংস্থাপনার্থায় সম্ভবামি যুগে। এখন ঠিক ভাগবতের মধ্যে ওইরূপ কথাটা রয়েছে। এখন
So same katha in the Srimad Bhagavatam it is written.
ভগবান শ্রীকৃষ্ণ
So like the Yadupati Bhagwan Shri Krishna,
অবতীর্ণ হয়েছে
when he incarnated
অসুরদের দমন করার জন্য,
for killing the demon,
ধর্মকে ঠিক ঠিক পালন
even establishing the Varnashram dharma,
করার জন্য। হ্যাঁ? কিন্তু ভগবান
but God Yadupati Krishna,
কিম অভিপ্রায় পরদার অভিমর্শনম। খুব সুন্দর কথা বলেছে
it's a very beautiful katha
যে ভগবান
is telling.
শ্রীকৃষ্ণ
Bhagwan Shri Krishna,
এই গোপীদের সঙ্গে
like with the gopis,
হ্যাঁ, এটা কোন ধর্ম রক্ষা
like he is doing the leela with the gopis, so which dharma he is establishing by it?
সঙ্গে গোপীদের সঙ্গে বিবাহ হয় নাই।
So Krishna never did marriage with the gopis.
বৃন্দাবনের মধ্যে, চলো দ্বারকের মধ্যে বিবাহের কথা বলা।
Actually the Vivaha marriage story, like marriage is happened with the Dwarika Maheshis,
সঙ্গে গোপীগণের তো বিবাহ হয় নাই।
but marriage didn't happen with the
আপনি
gopis.
বললেন যে কৃষ্ণ গোপীগণের সঙ্গে বিহার করেছে। আপনার চিত্রটা দেখেন অনেক সময় আপনারা
So even you has seen many of the pictures in which the Krishna is doing the Vihar Leela with the gopis.
এর দ্বারা সমাজের মঙ্গল কি করে হবে?
So like how the society will get the benefit by
মধ্যে বলেছে
such Leela.
তত্ত্ব দেবেন্দ্র জন সজন্মনং কুরুতে লোকস্ত অনুবর্ততে। শ্রেষ্ঠ ব্যক্তি যে রাস্তাতে চলে,
So it is said that in a scripture, like the Shrestha means the topmost personality will follow the path, the others people also follow the same path.
পিছে পিছে কেন দৌড়ছে?
So how the Krishna is running after the gopis? So what the society will learn by it?
ভগবান
The Krishna is a Shrestha, he is in a topmost personality, he is an example for the society. So if he will follow the gopis, so how the others will learn by
কেন
him?
তিনি করলেন এই? কি অভিপ্রায়?
So Kim Abhipraya. So what is the purpose of it?
হ্যাঁ? কি অভিপ্রায়? আর এর দ্বারা সমাজের কি কল্যাণ হবে?
So what benefit the society will get by it?
কল্যাণ হবে।
So by it the society will get benefit or not?
তখন তখন সুখদেব গোস্বামী
Then Shukdev Goswami Path is giving an answer.
খুব সুন্দর উত্তর দিয়েছে।
Very beautiful answer he has given.
বলবো এখন 7:30 বেজে
So now the time is over. Now the 7:30 has happened and
বললেন না যে পরীক্ষিত মহারাজ
so the Parikshit Maharaj, what question he asked? Like that much quality questions he asked to the Shukdev Goswami Path.
যে যদুপতি ভগবান
Like the question is, Yadupati Bhagwan, he came and incarnate to protect the dharma.
তিনি জগতে অবতীর্ণ হয়েছে পরদার অভিমর্শন অপরের স্ত্রীর সঙ্গে গোপীগণের সঙ্গে
So what he is doing with the gopis?
নৃত্য গীত করছেন।
He is dancing with the gopis. So by this, how the society will get the benefit?
আমি এটা বুঝতে পারছি না।
So the Parishit Maharaj is saying, I am not able to understand it.
এই প্রশ্ন
So this is actually a very deep question, and even answer is very beautiful. So vancha kalpatrubhascha kripa sindhubhaycha patitanam pavnebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah.